Hi friends, welcome to SriSai IT Hub. In this video of Core Java Programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: vector class with any class objects. So how to add student class objects or employee class objects or any class objects to vector class and work with that in Java collections framework. So first of all, we'll have a small revision. What are collections framework in Java? So Java collections means collection of objects or group of objects as a single unit or single object in a Java program. Then what is framework? So framework means library which is provided by Java to work with Java collection of objects. And this library is provided to us in the form of java.util package. So in this java.util package, we have different classes and interfaces and abstract classes using which we can work with Java collections. So in Java collections, we have collection interface. So collection is an interface which is a top level or a base interface for collection framework. So under this collection interface, we have four popular collections. First one, list collection. It is also an interface. Set collection interface, queue collection interface, map collection interface. So coming to some important points related to the collections. So collections is only for objects but not for primitive data types. So if we store primitive data types also, they will be stored in object class format. And in collections, everything is stored as object itself. So collection is only for objects. So now coming to the concept of vector class with any class objects. So first of all, vector class is available in java.util package, and vector class is inherited from list interface. List interface is inherited from collection interface, and collection interface is inherited from iterable interface. So iterable interface is available in java.lang package. So iterable interface methods are inherited to collection interface. Collection interface methods are inherited to list interface, and list interface methods are inherited to vector class. So vector class is a complete class. We can create an object of vector class and use the methods of list, collection, as well as iterable. Right. So coming to what is vector. So vector collection, some important points. So vector is a collection of objects as one-dimensional array. So one-dimensional array means we will have indexes to collection of objects, and these indexes range from 0 to size -1. So the default capacity of vector is 10, initial default capacity, and vector is capable of accepting duplicate objects. And in vector, order is preserved. It will store the objects in the same order how we are adding the objects to the vector collection. And vector is a legacy class. So what is this legacy class? A class which is clonable. So clonable, it should be inherited from clonable interface. A class which is serializable, it should be inherited from serializable interface, and its methods are synchronized. So clonable, serializable methods are synchronized, so it is called as legacy class. Right, so coming to the constructors and methods of vector class. So if we see the description of vector class, java p-p java.util.vector. Right, so open the command prompt, go to your working directory and issue the command. So from the vector class, we are going to use the basic methods, add methods, like we are going to use add. So we are going to use add method. So the add method here is we have add element method, which is a synchronized method, and then add method. So the add method, which is popular from collection interface. So even this add method is also a synchronized method. So this class is clonable, serializable. So clonable means we can create a duplicate vector using clone method. And then serializable means we can make vector class object participate in serialization, write object, and deserialization, read object. And vector class is inherited from list, list is inherited from collection, and collection is inherited from iterable. So we are going to use these two popular methods to add student class objects, either add element, or we can also use add directly followed by object. Both are synchronized. So methods are synchronized. So vector object can be used in multi-threading environment. Right. So these are the two methods. So let us try to demonstrate this with a small program. Vector class example 8.java. So let us take a new page. So first we'll write a command program to create a vector with class objects. So we are going to use student class objects. Import java.util package for collection framework library. So let us take a student class with 3 data members: roll number, name, height. We are going to initialize these 3 data members in the constructor with 3 parameters. First parameter is r, roll number. Second parameter is n, name, and third parameter is h, height. So these 3 parameters are, we are going to initialize to roll number, n to s name, h to height. And then we are going to display or print roll number, name, height in display method. So system.out.println roll number tab space s name tab space height. So let us go to the main class with main method. So main class, vector class example 8, save it as .java as extension, and it contains the main method. So let us create an object of vector class. Its initial default capacity is 10, and then for this vector class VC we are going to add students object. So let us create student s1 is equals to new student, roll number 1001, name, psi, height 6.0 f. Next, student s2, new student 1002, ram 5.9 f, roll number, name, height, 2 students s1 and s2. So let us add these two to the VC. So vc.add s1, vc.add s2, and print vc. So let us try to execute till here and put a comment for the remaining case. Right. So initially when we print vc here, it will print object reference code of s1 and s2. Right. Command prompt, compile the program. Vector class example 8.java. Right. So no error, and run it. So we'll get the s1 s2 reference code or hash code, student @ hexadecimal number. So now we are going to access this reference code and use with display method. How? So vector contains indexes. So index of s1 is 0, index of s2 is 1. So let us try to access that from indexes. So vc dot get of 0. So get of 0 means student 1. So this is available in object format, object class format, which is a super class for all the classes. So we have to perform downcasting to student class and store the reference in s11 variable. Similarly, second object vc.get of 1 s2 object. It is available in object class format. Do the downcasting to student class format and then store the reference in s22. So in memory it's like this: s11, s22 will be pointing to s1 reference, s2 reference, which are these two objects, and then s11.display, s22.display. Right, so save it, recompile, and run. So s1 1001, psi 6.0, s22 1002, ram 5.9. So this is how we are supposed to work with vector class with any class objects. So that is what is all about vector class in Java collections framework with any class object. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.